So I got your question. I saw your question on discussion board. You want to find the critical value z sub c, find to form a confidence interval. So you're given 0.9, c's 0.9. You want to find z sub c. I don't think that's it right there. So you could do this by hand. I mean, the easiest way to do it with StatCrunch in the normal calculator. So if you open StatCrunch, you click on Stats, and then the first option is Calculators, and then you pick the normal calculator. And so and you need to click on Between. You got Standard, and then you need Between. Since it's looking for z-score, you need to leave the mean at 0 and standard deviation at 1. So they'll be, click on Between. Then you just put in the 0.94 here. That's this area up here. 0.94 is the area up here that's red. Then click on Compute, and then this number right here is what you're after. This is z sub c is this value over here on the right. It's 1.8808. They want you round it 2 places, so it'd be 1.88. So again, you just come into the normal calculator. You need to be on Between. You put the area here and click Compute, and it gives you the value z sub c, which is over here. Hope this helps.